Hey, to measure heart rate on the POCO M6 Pro, you will have to open the settings. Next, from here, you will have to scroll down, go into the additional settings. Now you will have to scroll and go into the heart rate. And now just click start, accept permissions, and put your finger on the fingerprint scanner just right here. Now you will have to hold it and do not move. As you can see, we have to hold it for around 15 seconds, and that's our beat rate per minute, beat rate of our heart. It feels like it's not accurate because there's like different results when you do this for a few times, even when you are doing the same. So in my case, I'm just sitting and they're recording some bass tutorials for you, but yeah, you can actually check it. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.